Hey you guys, welcome to our channel, or welcome back if you are a subscriber. So as you see today again, I don't know if you are a subscriber or not, you should hit that button for sure. Today we are on the outside, which is my balcony, our balcony, me and Helen. As you see Helen again, she's the cameraman, camera woman. And yeah, we got in here, as how you see, tequila, triple sec, and lemon or lime. It's whatever you want. But actually, because I didn't have lemon, because I didn't have lime, I'm putting some lemon today. And we got some salad as well. So we are going to fix the most like popular cocktail, which is Margarita. And actually it's a Taiwan drink that was invented in 1939, I think, 38, something like that. 32, 1932. Anyway, you can search that up. I will gonna put the link below if I figure that out. But yeah, let's go into a drink straight ahead. So we are going to fix Margarita. First of all, what you need is ice and shaker. We put some ice in the shaker to cool it up a bit, and we pour 60 or 2 ounces of tequila. You can use a white tequila or yellow one, it doesn't matter, whatever you prefer. So we put 60 ounces of this. We have triple sec in here. We put 25 to 30 ounces, and we grab our fresh lemon or lime, and we put as well 30 ounces, 30 ml, not ounces. I think I did a mistake and I say 30 ounces for also a triple sec. It's 30 ml, guys. Okay, don't put 30 ounces, it's too much. It's like a whole bottle of this. So now, what I do for me, I do this for the lemon. Because I actually love the, it give it a weird flavor, let's say. Now we put ice. Put it in the shaker. We forgot to, here you go. We cut the lemon in half, or lime again. Here you go. And we just give it a little all salty all around the glass, as you see. You can use any glass you want. This glass I have it at home, standing by, so I just, use it, why not? And now we shake. You see, till the whole shaker cool up, you can feel it, see? Now we open it, and we pour it in our lovely glass like this. For the decoration of this cocktail, you need actually a slice of lime rounded in here. But again, because I don't have lime, I'm using lemon. Go. Here you go, guys. So let me have a taste today. Cheers. I won't judge you if you drink 4 or 5 of those, because I feel you. I might do some later for my own. So, anyway, this is a whole cocktail, guys. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you have any question for any cocktail, or if you would like to see any other recipes for any classic or self-made or signature cocktail, let me know down in the comment below, and I'll try my best to do you a lovely cocktail that you will gonna remember me while you are drinking it. So, cheers, hope you enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.